Hey everyone! Have you ever been out with friends and realized you forgot your wallet? Maybe you needed to split a bill quickly and easily, or pay someone back for that last-minute coffee run. Thankfully, in many parts of the world, mobile payment apps have become a lifesaver. But with all these different options, you might be wondering, what exactly is VIPS, and where did that name even come from? Well, buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. VIPS doesn't actually stand for anything specific, at least not in the traditional sense. It's more like a clever play on words, designed to be catchy and memorable. Norway's mobile payment champion. Let's rewind a bit. The year is 2015, and we're in Norway. Cash is still somewhat king, but a new challenger is emerging: mobile payments. DNB, a major Norwegian bank, takes the lead and develops VIPS, a smartphone app that lets you send and receive money using just a phone number. Here's the beauty of VIPS: it doesn't matter which bank you use in Norway. As long as everyone involved has the app, sending and receiving money becomes a breeze. You simply enter the recipient's phone number, type in the amount, and hit send. Easy, right? Why VIPS? Why not send money now? So, why the name VIPS? DNB, the developers, wanted something catchy, something that would stick in people's minds. VIPS itself is a Norwegian word that doesn't have a direct translation in English. It can mean quickly or in a flash, which perfectly reflects the app's speedy transactions. But there's another layer to the name. VIPS also kind of sounds like the act of swiping your phone, which is exactly what you do when using the app. It's a clever bit of wordplay, making the name both functional and memorable. Beyond just money, the rise of VIPS. VIPS wasn't just about sending money between friends. It quickly became a versatile tool for everyday transactions. You could pay bills, donate to charities, and even purchase goods and services from participating businesses, all with a few taps on your phone. The success of VIPS was phenomenal. Within a few months of launch, it had over 1 million users, becoming the dominant mobile payment platform in Norway. Today, VIPS boasts millions of users and continues to evolve, integrating new features and functionalities. The takeaway: more than just a name. So, while VIPS doesn't have a specific meaning in the traditional sense, the name itself reflects the app's core values: speed, ease, and convenience. It's a testament to the power of clever wordplay and branding in creating a product that resonates with users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.